guys, good morning. So we're here at the event of the Villages of Lima States. We're here at Shara Clubhouse. Blessing po ng ating clubhouse today. So kung makikita nyo, mainit ang pwede. Yan ang ating clubhouse. And then, ito na po yung kabuuan ng ating Shara Village. Marami nang nakatayo dito sa likod nito at marami pang mga tinatayo, mga units dito. So yan po. Ongoing ang construction natin. So, may amazing discount tayo if ever mag-avail ka ng unit dito kay The Villages at Lima. And guys, ito naman ang ating napakagandang swimming pool dito kay Shara Village by The Villages at Lima Estates. So yan. So yaring-yari ng ating swimming pool, ang ating clubhouse, and ating basketball court. And good news, we have ready for occupancy unit na single detached 119 and single attached 150. If you're interested, pwede kong ipakita sa inyo ang actual deliverables ng ating unit. And as low as 30,000 lamang po ang reservation sa ating ready for occupancy. Maaari ka maka-avail napakagandang unit dito kay The Villages at Lima Estates, Shara Village. So message na. Bye. Thank you.